Welcome to another unboxing, testing, and updating. I received the parcel in February 20 and today it's already April 2. So we've been using it for more than a month now. It comes with a hose and other stuff we don't use. The user manual is written in Chinese, so I find it useless. One thing I've noticed about this mini washing machine is it only spins in one direction. It doesn't spin the other way. But my main concern every time we use it is it smells like something is burning inside. So I decided to open the back portion of the As I look inside, nothing is burnt, but there's this weird black powder which I don't know what it is. Maybe you can help me identify it. The mini washing machine is still functional though.